Let's dive into the packaging of the AULA F75, a sleek 75% keyboard with 80 keys. The black box showcases the F75 logo and AULA branding with key specs in both Chinese and English. Inside, you'll find a user manual handy for quick setup and the keyboard itself, wrapped in a protective plastic cover to keep it dust-free. Now, onto the accessories: a USB A2 Type-C cable, a dual-purpose keycap and switch puller, and 2 extra TC Secrescent switches for the keyboard's vibrant blue, black, and yellow design, paired with 16.8 million RGB colors, is a visual delight. The F75 features a multimedia scroll wheel for easy volume control and a mode selector on the back, allowing you to switch between Bluetooth 5.0 and 2.4 GHz wireless modes, with a magnetic dongle for added security. Its ergonomic design, hot-swappable keys, and 2-stage height adjustment ensure comfort during long typing or gaming sessions. With a 4,000 mAh battery, precision leaf spring gasket structure, and 1.2 PCB for consistent keystrokes, the AULA F75 delivers premium performance at an affordable price. Whether you're a gamer or a writer, this keyboard blends aesthetics, functionality, and customization, making it a top-tier choice. If you're ready to upgrade without overspending, the AULA F75 is your perfect match. Don't wait, unlock your next level experience with the AULA F75 today.